Have you ever felt cursed because of your period? Have you ever wondered why? Give me about 4 minutes and I'm going to teach you the most common symptoms of fibroids. I know that terrible periods suck and I don't want to add anything to your plate. So what I'm going to do is grant you free access to the first module, Fibroid Causes, of our Fibroid Freedom Workshop. Just leave me a meme describing your period. It can be funny, it can be angry, it can be whatever. Just describe your period in a meme down below in the comments, and I will send you the link via messenger. I don't need your email or phone number or firstborn or anything like that. Just my gift for you watching. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Rosa Crumpton. I'm a researcher turned registered nurse and health equity advocate. I know that empowered people have better healthcare experiences and outcomes, and that's what I'm here to do. So remember, give me about 4 minutes, and I'm going to teach you just a little bit about some of the common fibroid symptoms. And before we go any further, let me do my little timeout. Although I am a nurse, I'm not your nurse. I'm not your healthcare provider. So what I'm providing is education. This is not a cure, diagnosis, or anything of that nature. Please, I want you to follow up with your doctor or your primary care provider, women's health provider, or what have you. So back to our symptoms. So number one is heavy or prolonged periods. The average period is about 3 to 5 days. So if you are bleeding for 7, 10 days, then you definitely have a prolonged period. Heavy periods are kind of subjective, but if you're going through a massive amount of pads or tampons, or you're constantly emptying your menstrual cup, then you may be classified as having heavy periods. Number two is bleeding in between periods, especially if you're somebody who's always been regular. If you start noticing irregularity to your periods, where there is bleeding in between when you expect your period, that could be a sign that you might have fibroids or need to get worked up for. Number three, stomach pain, abdominal pain. Sometimes fibroids can grow so large that they actually make people look like they're pregnant or look really bloated. Especially if you're noticing this in a short period of time and you know you're not pregnant or anything like that, please follow up and see if you might have fibroids. Number four, pelvic pain. Especially if you've never had this before, but all of a sudden your pelvis region is starting to feel discomfort or pain. Doesn't have to be with any particular activities, or if you do notice it with activities, be sure to talk with your medical provider. I think this is 5. I should have numbered these. Let's say this is number 5. Lower back pain. This may seem odd, but fibroids can grow really large. Some people have them have a lot of fibroids. Some people just have one very large one, and some people have lots of little teeny tiny ones. But they can grow and cause what are called adhesions, where they attach to other organs and other parts in your body, and those can send signals to your lower back and cause pain. And so that can be another symptom of fibroids. Number 6, I believe, is bladder or urinary symptoms. Some people that have fibroids have frequent urination, where they pee a lot, or they may also have difficulty feeling like when they do pee that their bladder is actually empty. They still feel like they're retaining urine. And I think this is 7, our last one, goes along with bladder symptoms. You may have some bowel symptoms. Some people that have fibroids suffer from constipation, or they just really feel like they have to groan and strain with bowel movement. So those are our most common symptoms of fibroids, and can, of course, add to feeling like your period is just really unmanageable and not a fun time of the month. So I want to empower you to have the tools to talk with your provider. So I'm going to give you access to that first module of the Fibroid Freedom Workshop, where we talk all about the causes of fibroids, more in depth than just this little short video. So if you want this resource, just drop the meme down below describing your menstrual cycle, your period, or you can even tell me what you call it. I know there's lots of different terminology for that time of the month, hot flow, visiting, things like that. So go ahead, leave the meme down below in the comments, and I will shoot you that resource over to you in Messenger. Thanks.